Good.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, another TNA production here. Tim, beautiful St. Pierre, Manitoba here, Saints Day, like they like to call it. So we're just joining into that Saints Day today. Blizzard here tonight. Blizzard missing a couple players. We're missing a couple players. So I guess that kind of evens out, eh, Tim?
Yeah, I hope so.
Yeah. Not too cold in the St. Pierre Arena tonight. Not probably minus 13 outside, so we're okay here. No problems. No problems here. Again, we're in St. Pierre. We apologize for that one corner. We can't. The bench is going to be in the way, but you know, we're going to do our best here, and we'll keep you guys up to date what's going on in that corner. Yeah. Referees look good here today. St. Pierre native Marty Sev. Justin Levac on the lines too. Headman, I don't really know him. Number 75. We're going to call him number 75 for tonight. That's what we're going to do. So, yeah. Blizzard look good. They look ready to go here today. They're out early. They're warming up. So, ready to go. Jets doing their ceremonial before game cheering here. And they're ready to go here. Good. Tim, what do you think here today? What do you think?
It's actually a super important game. Every game from here on in, I looked at the top 4 teams. Wow, is that tight?
Yeah. After you mentioned something, I went to the look through there and all the trades. We got Rutherford rolling to hold. Bradley and Levac on the line here. Bradley working hard. Levac's going to retrieve that. Thiesen's going to come down hard on Levac. Small rink here, so we know how to play that. We practice here. We know this. Thiessen rolling. Bradley's going to come around. Oh, Bradley's going to misplay that. He's going to give it to Levac. Good D2D here. Levac's going to skate that up. He's going to chip it up. No, doesn't get it out. Hit from behind there. Schrader, we'll watch Schrader. We got his number here. Yep, no problem. Hit from behind. We got that. Comes up. All good here, all good. We're good here, we're good. Alright, here we go. So Lowe's got it. We're going to skate that up. Bradley's going to come for a change. Everybody's going to get out there. Ziegler is out there. Neufeld throws it in front. Ziegler is going to skate here. Even both teams is Fairzy. Announcer favorite Fairzy. There he is. Got a little bit of slack there last game. Didn't mention Fairzy as announcer favorite. People wondering if he's still our favorite. Yes, he is still our favorite. But time to put some pressure on Fairzy here. He needs to start scoring. Stay in the announcer's good looks here. So we're going to challenge Fairzy to get a couple goals. Alright, here we go. Levac jumps back out. He's okay, no problem. That's from that hit from behind from Schrader. Yeah. Saw numbers and went for the hit. That's no problem. There's Chuck. Chuck comes in hard. He's going hard. Flips the ref. Might as well, eh? Might as well try to kick down the ref too. That's how they do things here. Levac's got it here. He's going to chip it out. Ty's got it here. Blizzard are here to play. That's good for us. I like that. Coulombe's got it here. Coulombe, little flicker out. I'd like to see him go off the windows there. That's a better play. Levac's got that here. He's going to go behind the net here. He's going to go to Ty. Great outlet pass here. Ty fans on that. It still goes to Fairzy. Fairzy all alone. Good save. Coulombe comes in. Protects his teammate there. Fairzy's going to come for a change. Comes out. Ziegler's going to jump back out. Ziegler and Bradley. Bradley swings around. Fans on his pass. Ty can't pick that up. He does though. Louis going hard on number 9. Emerson did not make the trip to Minneapolis for the volleyball tournament, but a couple other guys did. Picked volleyball over hockey. That's okay. that's in our favor. We like to see that. That's good. They can do that in the playoffs too. They got volleyball. You might as well go to volleyball instead of having the playoffs. That's good. I like that.
Decent.
That's going to pick it up. Right here. Newfelt. Apologize for that corner. Newfelt in the corner here. He's going to go. Burnett in front. All alone.
Oh, a little squeaker.
And I believe Maynard's in net. He's going to cover that up. All right, Tim. 16:24 left in the first period. Give me your first take here on this game so far.
Just the feel and odor. Nothing fancy. Nothing that terrible yet.
Yeah, okay. Perfect. Take it. Roland's going to take this draw. He's going to come back to Camo. Camo takes the shot away. Newfelt back. We've got Coulon, Emery. Good hit by Camo there. That's perfect.
Good there. Dirksen in the corner. He goes to Camo. Camo's got to get on his horse there. He's got to get on his horse and pick that up and skate that out. That's what we want to see there. We got a hook? No. No. The referee's not saying nothing here. He likes to chirp there. You got to watch. You got to watch.
Try to call the coaching staff here. This referee likes to chirp. You got to watch. Roland comes through the middle.
Levack's got it here. He's got behind the net. Great D-to-D. Good reverse there. That's perfect. I like to see that.
Roland's going to go for the change. Vermette's going to jump back out. Sergi's sticking away there.
Vermette's got to take the body there. He's got to hit there. I like to see that.
There you go. Robidoux got it here. Robidoux. He's going to get hit there. Good hit by Vermette. Nice and clean. That shook up Emerson. I believe that's Emerson. Yeah. There we go. Levack's got this. He's going to go D-to-D to Radley. Radley's going to skate it up. He goes to Vermette. Schrader one-on-one here. One-on-one. Angles him up. Thiessen goes back up to the point to no name here. That's interference. Interference? No, he doesn't like interference call. He's not going to call that today. That's okay. No problem. He can handle that. Ziegler. Great pass by Ziegler. Up to Tomo. Levack's going to come change. Coulon jumps up. Moves up. Shot. Quick whistle here. Maybe, I'm not too sure why, Timbo. I'm not sure why. Net off?
I don't know. Didn't get him in the grill.
Don't you need a number to play hockey?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is right, Trevor Sherry. You are right. You do need a number, but this referee, he has his own rules today, so we're going to go with that. That's the way it's going to be today. There we go. Newfelt throws it in front. Ziegler. Oh, he dumps it back in. Newfelt picks it up behind the net. In front. No, nothing in front there. Newfelt again. What a great shot. Beautiful, like this CMG down himself right there. Big Bengal, it's in the net. There we go. We're shopping at Menards. Gotta go. Shopping at Menards today. I like it. Here we go. Robidoux. Robidoux takes down draw Reimer. Reimer's gonna duck it in. We got ice. Good call there. Good call. Like to see that. That's a good call. Emery. Radley, Robidoux, Pharisee, and who weird on here? Alright, yeah, Unger, Reimer, I mean. Reimer goes right around. Alright.
that out. Neufeld's going to come right back out here. Double shifting Neufeld. Like to see that. Vermette, Como, come back out. Emery and Radley stay out.
Eber takes the dump there. We got 2-on-1. 2-on-1 here. He throws it over Vermette. Yeah, Bernard makes that save. Good throw by Bernard. That's good for him. I like to see that save. That's good. Perfect. All right. Blizzard are going to make that full change here. Full change. Everybody comes out. No name jersey comes out too. GT hockey jersey. Tim, what do you think here so far? 13-11 left in the first game.
Just get another one.
I like it.
Yeah, we're second right now. First place team hasn't lost the game yet.
Neufeld's got it going on here.
No, they're doing well.
He goes back to Emery. Emery shakes some big stairs. He gets it home. We got two here. We got two.
Buchert's going to shoot. Oh, great play. Great play. Nice pass by Buchert. That's why he's their leader. That's why he's their leader right there. That's a good pass. Instead of taking that shot,
He noticed he was free and gave it to him, and Bango with some back of the net. Here we go. Yep. All right. 1-1 here. 12:40 left in the first period. Back to back. Here we go. Owen's going to get on his horse. He takes the shot. Blocked by GP Hockey there. A little advertising for GP Hockey. Must be one of his clients there. We'll get advertising. No problem. Ziegler from the point. That's blocked by Canada there. What gets into we got icing here?
nope, not going to make it. That's going down. Little how's she going? Great save by Lee there. Let's see that. That's perfect.
Does Lucas get it out? He does. Emerson's back out. That's good.
Back to Levac.
Rouet. Revenue's going to come for the change. Neufeld's hungry tonight.
Decent. Yeah, Roland's got it. Roland's going to circle. Schrader on Roland there.
Yeah, off the windows. Good play. Roland doesn't like pieces hit. Good choice here. That's hockey. Good reception by Como, but he's going to capitalize. Coulombe's going to come up. He's going to dump it in. There's his keeper. No, that's offside. Coulombe's going to go. There's he's going hard. There's and he's taking the hit there. Oh, good shot by Coulombe. Good from behind. No call. No call. That's Schrader again.
Good from behind. Likes the numbers. That's okay. No problem there. No problem there. We'll take that number. Number 17. Yeah.
Likes the numbers. Hits from behind. That's okay. No problem there. No problemo. Ziegler, Coulombe on here. Emerson's still on the bench here. Coulombe, Vermette, Rouet, and Neufeld. Gets it by Ziegler. Ziegler's going to retrieve.
No icing on the play. Ziegler, a little dance. Oh, can't get by.
Neufeld picks that up. I don't know where he came from. Just like Lake Winnipeg walleye, it just shows up on the screen. Big and bang, who's got the puck. Like that. Neufeld bumps his hand. That's perfect. That's coming in. Nobody wants anything to do with Vermette. He dumps it in. That's good presence by Vermette. Nobody wants to touch him there. Great shot right in the midsection. Bernard for the save. Good for him. That's a good save. I like that. Okay, Blizzard full change. GT Hockey's going to come back out for the Blizzard. Well back, Henry, Roland, Como, and Revenue out there. That's intercepted. Pamo keeps it. Good play by Pamo. Like that. GT Hockey's got it in the corner. Comes back to Levac. Levac's going to chip it back in for Pamo. Pamo needs some help there. Ruffy's going to come help him. Roland's going to go pick that up in the other corner. Apologize for that clear. We do apologize. Roland tries to step out. Good play by Roland there. We got dumped.
Emery's going to go get it. No ice on the play. He's going to curl. Throws it up to Roland. Good pass. Roland's got to go off the windows there. Where's Chuck throws it in the corner. Levac's going to go after Penner. Hit on Penner. That's perfect. He's there. Everybody's happy. Perfect. 9:13 left in the first period. Timbo, what do you think here? What do you think? Give me something. Give me something here.
Got nothing for you. I got nothing.
Got nothing, eh? Maybe Roland needs a new stick or something? Maybe that? Soon? I think so.
He's due.
He's due. Okay.
It's just over 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Perfect. Great play by Fiercy. Here comes Fiercy. All alone. Shoots.
Oh, saved by Menard. Oh, yeah. That's a good save by Menard. I like to see that. That's a good save. There's a good play, though. He pulled away from them. That's good. Showed his speed there. Perfect by Fairzy. Getting better every game. Like that. Newfeld's going to take this drop. He can't really. He does, though. Bradley gets the lead. Good play by Newfeld. Good stick by Newfeld. Like to see that. He throws it back in. Burnett's going to go here. That's too high there.
Some short windows here in St. Pierre. Short windows. You got to watch out for that.
All right, 8:40 left in the first period. 1-1. Levac, Ziegler come out. Robin, Pamo, and Ruiz. Number 6, Ruiz. Okay, here. Levac gonna keep that in.
Body on there. Yeah, body again. Reimer. Good play. Pamo can't go. Comes in front. Yeah. Puck gets out here. Ebert goes back to GT Hockey. GT Hockey shot from the point. Does not make it through. Ziegler in the corner. Yeah, good play. Good play. Gets out of that jam.
Stick handling in the twin booth there. Let's see that. Can't keep it in. Levac in a retreat. Just blows it into the advertising screen there. We're going to change it up. Bradley, Emery's going to come out. Alright, going to come outside.
Jets coming back hard though. I like to see that. Off the ref. Ref keeps it in. Okay, off the mesh. Nobody hurt. Everybody fine.
No, everything at the cafe is $1, but the beverage.
Oh, okay. What's the hot dog days are going to
Right. Hot dogs $1 here. Hot dogs $1. Blowing up the hot dogs. That's good. Let's see that. Give the kids some hot dog. There's Chuck in front. He's gonna throw it. No. Bradley. Shot. Save. Newfeld gonna go up high.
Yeah, Roman's got it here. Roman one-on-one. It's Emerson. Shot, no, goes wide.
Ziegler's gonna pick that up. Ziegler, he's gonna turn.
Ziegler's gonna go hard here. Ziegler takes the hit. Puts the shoulder again. Roman can keep it in. It does not. Oh, Levac takes the hit on Zubov. body here. Verbeck comes in, throws the body. Bingo bango. Schrader tries to throw his body, but it's not from behind, so there's nobody falls down there. That's no problem. Unger picks this up. Unger having a good game so far. Great.
And Ziegler hits Schrader. Perfect. Nice clean hit. That's how it's done. That's how we do things. Nice and clean. That's perfect. Schrader throwing his elbows up high there.
He's sitting there like that. Go out too long. Everything getting there. Everything good. No problem. Schrader here. Too long. Puts a little bit of pressure on.
A little under skated here. No one can see that. Great save.
There's he comes in. Pamo's got it over here. GP hockey back out there for the Blizzard. A little bit of advertising GP hockey. Come on, front defense. Can't get a handle on it. Now he does. Pamo for checking. Pressure from Dirksen. He throws it back in. Neufeld. And Ferris going to go for a change here. Levy do roll and jump back on. Roland tries to pick his top.
Rammer throws it to the center. Bradley's going to go.
Como does flip it out. No ice. Call by the linesman. Call us to see that. Roland still got it here. Roland! Shot! Saved by Menard, I believe. Roland's got that back. He can't handle it. There's Chuck Steven. Coach Dez asking for the back check. Here we go, Roland. 1-1. 3:53 left in the first period. Roland's got it here. Back to Ziegler. Ziegler throws it in. Dirksen, I believe, in back of the net there. Pomo still got it. Rui pressure. Penner throws it cross ice.
Henry's got that.
Rui by himself. He's going to dump it in. Full D change here. Ziegler, Henry come out. Verbeck's got it. Verbeck throws it in back. Coulon? No, Coulon can't get that.
Dirksen. Shot saved by Beautiful save by Weaver. Like to see that.
Off the window. Perfect play by Ferris. You felt showing pressure in hard. Perfect play here. Well, that's going to creep in here. GT hockey. Yeah, he gets it out. Levac keeps it in. Now he's going to go. It's got to be hard. That's got to be hard.
Schrader. He gets it chipped out. Still got it, Schrader. Somebody's got to hit him. Neufeld's got it here. He's got to skate it out.
Yeah, there you go. Finally, Schrader gets caught here. Illegal maneuver by Schrader once. Yeah. He's pleading his case. I did nothing wrong here. Just like a couple of hits from behind. That's okay. Schrader's going to go for 2 here. 2:21 left here. First period. That referee does not want to talk to anybody right now. He's saying, get away from me. Gives him a warning. Gives EDE a warning here. He says, one more word from you, you're going to go sit with Schrader. That's okay. Rolling in the slot. Oh, he misses the net. Nice try. Rolling on the sidewall. Back to Ziegler.
Good film.
gets in that way. I think they know that. I think they know that play. 1:49 left in the first period. Okay. I'd like to see the Jets get a quick one here. Dollar hot dogs here. Dollar hot dogs. 1:45 left in that first period. 1:24 left in the Schrader penalty there. Vermet's going to try to win that back. Probably we should have kept that, I believe. Yeah, we should have.
Ziegler's going to come back, pick this up here. Ziegler behind the net. Dirksen up to Rowland.
Rowland comes back hard. He's going to skate. Going to set it up here. Yep. Goes behind the net. Back to Ziegler. Ziegler from the point. Blocked by Thiessen. Rowland. Ziegler. Back to Rowland. Rowland looking cross ice. Give it back to Ziegler. Ziegler to Robidoux in the slot. Oh. Missed that.
57 seconds left, 35 seconds left in that penalty there. Ziegler to Neufeld.
Bradley's going to jump on there. Bradley's going to pick this up. 37 seconds left in the period. We got outside. I don't know how Radley didn't see that one, but that's okay. That's okay. We got to give Radley a hard time for that. That's what we do on this show. We give some guys a hard time just for fun, though. Just for fun. Here we go. 33 seconds left in the period. 11 seconds left. There Radley goes. He's free here. There's Chuck. Does he get dumped out? No, Levac keeps that in. We got 22 seconds left. We're all even here. All even. Schrader back on the ice. Jersey working hard. Yeah, Bradley keeps that in. Shot. Menard. Another quick whistle here. Another quick whistle. He's quick on the whistle steady. That's okay. No problem there. He can handle anything. No problem. Hopefully it goes both ways though. Get some quick whistles on the other side too. Bradley. 8 seconds left. Bradley. Comes back. 4 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, period over.
All right, Timbo. Give us something here, Tim. Give us something. Give the viewers at home something here.
Kind of like our last couple of games. Not like we're playing like shit, but we're not doing anything tremendous either.
Yeah, I agree with that. I think hard-nosed team here, the Blizzard. I think we're handling it a bit better than last game. I like that. The game in Mitchell there, we're kind of not intimidated, but they were all over us with that.
But, I think we're good. I think we're okay here. I think we'll be fine.
Yep.
So we're just going to take a little break here, and then we'll be back in after the scrum.
Nice, guys.